Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. Today we have a little CISA brass padlock, 210/40 40mm, sent to me by Monkey Lockpicks in Italy. But we have the usual quite nice little tight keyway. We've got 5 pins, reasonable bitting on it. There we go. So let's just get this in here and we'll give this a quick go, see what it takes to get into it. So somewhere about there should do it. Make sure we're focused. Just using a Sparrow's short hook. And we'll start at the front. So nothing on 1, little click on 2, very fraction of feedback on the core. 3 we've got a click, 4 we've got a click, 5 we've got a little click. So, click on 1, nothing on 2, 3, right, counter rotation on 4, and we're open. So, quite a fun little pick. Definitely feels like it's got some security pins in there. But there we go, all open. So the CISA 210/40. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.